Hi, my name is Marcos and we're gonna be trying on Aqua Wax number 2 from Nishman. Stay tuned to see the final results.
I made the devil run. I gave him poison just for fun. I had one friend, now there's none.
Aqua Wax number 2 with an amazing tropical fruit fragrance. It will create long-lasting stylish hair with a shiny finish.
They were an army, I was alone. I broke so many bones.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products and stay tuned for more finish up results and tips. Take care. Bye bye.
I'm bad as bad can be, so bad.